Hello everyone, hope you are all okay. Today we will discuss about how to check font that include in the Adobe Illustrator document file. Although sometimes we need what font is used in our document, we don't know how to check this, but if you follow this step, you can easily check all the font you used, and also you can change all the font easily. So let's begin. So here is the document. Sometimes we work for as long as 30, 40 or 50 artboard work. On this time there is so many paragraphs and we can change everything by clicking one by one. So for this we got a solution to solve this. So here is the solution. So at first we have to go to the type, then we go to the find font. Here will be appear two sections. The first section is font in document. Those font will does used in this document, such as Montserrat medium, Montserrat bold, Montserrat regular, Montserrat semi-bold, and also Montserrat black. And there is the another option. Those are the system font. Those font we install in our system, and there is lots of font. If you want, you can change. So first, if we click there, it will show where this font is used. So if you just change all of the Montserrat bold font, we have to click the Montserrat bold, and then we have to go for our required font. Here I took a font that will be as a dummy font. So here is the Bessensist light. So if we change there, you can see there is just one font is changed. If our document also got Montserrat bold another font, it will not change. So for this, for all the document that will include Montserrat bold, we have to select the Montserrat bold, then change all. Here the all Montserrat bold change to Bessensist light. So if we want to change another one, Montserrat black, right here it will appear. If you select another font, Montserrat 93, change all, and the all font will be changed to the Bauhaus 93. So it is the easy way. If you follow this, you will easily change all of the font. So I hope you understand, and thank you.